Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look why your iPhone shows two separate model numbers for the same device. So you can see here, if I tap on model number, it will show two different model number for one device. So to get to this page, you want to go back to the home screen and then tap on settings. In settings, if you go down and tap on general, then tap on about, and then if you tap on model number, you will be able to switch between the different alternate model number. So what this A indicates is that it is a general information about the device. So this is A2638. It indicates this is for the iPhone 13 Pro, and that's all it tells you. It is an iPhone 13 Pro. But if you tap on this, if you tap on the model number again, it will switch over to a different model number. And with this number, it will give you some more information about the device. It will tell you what kind of device it is, what color is your device, and the capacity storage of your device by looking at the model number. So if you go to Apple Store, they will be able to key in the model number and they will know exactly what type of device that you have. And that's it. So that is the reason why there are two different model number. One is just a generic information, basically telling you it is just an iPhone 13 Pro, and the other one would tell you more details. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to me. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.